The Kubota DC-70 combine harvester performs several key functions in rice fields. 1. Cutting. Cuts the rice crop efficiently. 2. Threshing. Separates grains from stalks and straw. 3. Winnowing. Removes chaff and straw from grains. 4. Grain collection. Collects and stores grains in a tank. 5. Straw handling. Manages straw, either cutting and spreading it or ejecting it. These functions enable efficient and productive rice harvesting, reducing labor and time while ensuring high-quality grain output. The Kubota DC-70 is designed to optimize performance in various rice field conditions. Combine harvester operation techniques involve 1. Pre-harvest preparation. Ensure the machine is well maintained and adjusted. 2. Field inspection. Check for obstacles in crop conditions. 3. Speed control. Adjust speed according to crop density and terrain. 4. Header adjustment. Set the header height and angle for optimal cutting. 5. Monitoring grain quality. Regularly check grain quality and adjust settings as needed. 6. Efficient grain handling. Ensure proper grain tank emptying and storage. These techniques help optimize harvesting efficiency, reduce losses, and improve grain quality. The purpose of a combine harvester is to 1. Streamline harvesting. Combine multiple steps cutting, threshing, winnowing into one process. 2. Increase efficiency. Reduce time and labor required for harvesting. 3. Improve productivity. Enable farmers to manage larger areas and harvest more crops. 4. Enhance grain quality. Ensure cleaner grain separation and reduced contamination. By using a combine harvester, farmers can finish the harvesting job 1. Faster. 2. More accurately. 3. With less labor. 4. In a more cost-effective manner. Overall, combine harvesters make the harvesting process easier, faster, and more efficient. The best time to harvest paddy rice with a Kubota DC-70 Pro Combine Harvester depends on factors like 1. Crop maturity. 2. Moisture content, ideally 18 to 25%. 3. Weather conditions. Optimal harvesting time can vary by region and climate. Generally, harvesting when the rice is mature and dry helps ensure 1. Better grain quality. 2. Reduced losses. 3. Improved efficiency. Consult the Kubota DC-70 Pro manual and consider local agricultural guidelines for specific recommendations. The longevity of a combine harvester depends on factors like